Hey guys, it's Fire Alarm 1234 here, and today this is System Test 28. And today I got a surprise. So, say hello to
Monterey Electronics.
Yep, today he's going to be joining us in this system test, and what do you know? We're actually going to be doing his requested system test today. So that's pretty special. So,
Coincidence.
Oh yeah, a big coincidence. So this is going to be really cool. So, let's get on to the poll stations. So for first poll station, he requested the Edwards 270-SPO. Yep, and it's stuff, abuse, whatever. And right next to that, well, he didn't actually request this. He actually requested another 270-SPO, but I don't have another 270-SPO, which I think you already know that, right?
Yeah, I was trying to go for an EST thing.
I know, I really would love another 270-SPO. Like, there's a rare 270-SPO, the one that, I think it came from the 270-SPO originated from the 60s, and it has a, it's, I guess you could say it's much more robust looking, but yeah, I think that's pretty cool. But in place of that, I put my FCI MS2, the older one. And
good choice.
yeah, it's a good pull station, but yeah, it's just a good pull station. So, and then right next to that, he didn't request anything on Zone 3, but instead I put my Firelight BG10 because we hadn't seen it in a while, so I figured why not. So, going up, we will see the panel, of course. We'll see that I disabled Zone 3, and we'll come back to Zone 3. And you'll see that NAC 2 is in trouble, which we will get into that. Going up, Zone 4 and Zone 3 are in trouble, as usual. That's the smoke detector and the true alarm. Going up, we got their first notification device. We got the the EST G1R HP15, and he did request that one. And also, he also requested this is the System Sensor Modified Strobe. So what it essentially is, which I have told you guys before, it's just a strobe from a speaker strobe, a System Sensor speaker strobe that is, and I put it on a trim plate. What that trim plate essentially is what it came from my CH70, which is now just a strobe. So I call it the Modified Strobe, basically. So if we're going to look in the panel real quick, and we're going to see that I have my DC to DC converter. And there's a reason why I have that. Because I got a brand new device. That would be a Wheelock MIZ. I got a Wheelock MIZ. It works. Came in, well, new in box as a matter of fact. And it works great. And it's very loud too. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, so okay, and the DC to DC converter is there because the MIZ, it doesn't sound good on FWR. It kind of sounds like a Genesis. Ha ha ha! Since the Genesis is right there, of course that Genesis sounds a lot different. But you know what I mean. FWR doesn't really sound good. If you guys want to hear the MIZ on FWR, please let me know in the comments, because I will make a mini system test with the MIZ on FWR. But, yeah. So I think that's it. So we're going to have to turn up the fan, and we will get started with the system test. And I misplaced my remote, so hold on a moment. Where did I put it? I put it over here. Yes, I did. And I dropped it. Okay, now I'm going to get my hearing protection in, and we are going to start the system test. So, Monterey Electronics, which pull station should we pull today?
The 270 SPO.
Great choice. So, are you ready?
Yep.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1. That is very loud.
Yeah, my speaker cut off for like 12 seconds.
I heard the same thing happen to Zachary Fleck when I was doing the bell. Panel was trying to shut me up for a minute there. Alright, and let's do the MS2. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Audible silence. The Genesis is on Genesis Sync, and the modified strobe is on NAC 2, which I set to non-silenceable. So that's where the audible silence is. And I'm not going to bother with the smoke detectors today. Gosh. Hold on. Why are you being a pain today, MS2? Okay. Sometimes the lock doesn't go in, and it's hard to turn the MS2, so. Alright. And we're going to do a simple reset. Alright. So, now we're going to do the MIZ, and yeah. Takes a little while to reset, so. And as mentioned, I will probably have yet another guest in the next requested system test. I'm trying to work things out with him, but so if it's today's Thursday, gosh, maybe it'll happen next week. You never know, but that should be really cool. So yeah, and I forgot. I accidentally disabled NAC 1 for some strange reason, but alright, now we're going to disable. I disabled zone 1 for some strange reason. Alright, and you'll see there's a trouble on, be quiet panel. There's a trouble on NAC 3, because the MIZ can't really get resistors in there for some strange reason. So, oh well. So now we're going to do the BG10. And if we're all ready, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1. Oh mighty. Goodness gracious, that was very loud. Was that loud?
Yeah.
I thought so. Alright, let's reset the BG10. And before we end the video, I'm going to attempt to code the MIZ to code 3. Now, I did do that just to test out the MIZ for the first time, but oh, well first let me reset the panel, because I made that mistake in the last system test, if you guys saw, where I was fiddling around with the panel and yeah. Let's hope that doesn't happen. So now we wait. And I'll do the drill button to do it on code 3. And I think we'll end the video after that. Alright. And let's put this in. Oh no, please don't. Please don't. Why? Why, panel? Why? Okay. I'm gonna try to... Whoa. Alright, Mac 3. We did it. Cool. Alright. So again, the MIZ is set on code 3. And we are going to do the drill button. And that will be it. So. Alright, let's do this. Whenever it's ready. There we go. Alright, here is code 3. It's got that special or advanced dying sound, kind of, which is kind of interesting. You know how the spatulars die when they kind of get cut, when the power gets cut off?
Yeah.
It's kind of funny, but yeah. Alright, so that is the end of the system test. Requested system test 28. And once again, thank you very much for Monterey Electronics for joining us today.
No problem.
And thank you for your requested system test as well. This was very fun, and now you guys can request the MIZ. And yeah, so that's about it. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Keep subscribing. We're basically right there at 50 subscribers, but again, if we get 100 subscribers, I will do that live stream where I will show my face. Yep. And until then, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.